Y'all know what time it is. Going to praise the Lord. Happy Sunday. Baby girl ready. She got my house shoe on. Everybody else is outside. Happy Sunday, y'all.
Themes of the Gospel of John. If you were to say, pop quiz, Pastor Hyde, give me the themes of John. I'll tell you 3. Jesus is the sign. Jesus gives the sermon. Jesus came to save.
Yeah, Walmart delivery. About to get this Sunday dinner going. Sunday dinner going down. Making potato salad. This is my grated cheese for my baked macaroni and cheese. Eggs for my potato salad. Whipping cream to make my cheese roux. The noodles. I'm doing canned greens, y'all, because I do not feel like picking no greens. Just got out of church. We're going to do some cornbread, some baked barbecue chicken, and call it a day. Happy Sunday. Everybody chilling. Baked barbecue chicken, potato salad, baked macaroni and cheese, cornbread, greens. Happy Sunday.